అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి. నా పేరు మోహన్ దాస్. నేను టీచర్గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. ఇప్పుడున్నటువంటి పరిస్థితులు బట్టి స్కూల్స్ అన్నీ క్లోజ్ అయిపోయి ఉన్నాయి. కాబట్టి నేను యూట్యూబ్ క్రియేట్ చేయాలని ఆశపడుతున్నాను. నేను 6th క్లాస్ నుంచి ఇంటర్మీడియట్ వరకు నేను క్లాసెస్ చెప్పగలను. సో నేను చేస్తున్నటువంటి వీడియోస్ బహుశా మీకు ఎగ్జామ్స్కి ఉపయోగపడుతుందని ఆశపడుతున్నాను. So let us start the chapter called in 6th class CBSE, the first chapter name called knowing our numbers. Right, knowing our numbers. So already we know that knowing our numbers, everyone know about. So when you come to the knowing our numbers, just we can get in the mind that rupees, right? Now when you read any thousands or else something like that, 1000, 10,000, it follows some standards, right? So here we are having Indian system standard and international system standard. While reading that numbers, or else we can say that while counting the numbers, while counting the rupees, while counting the rupees and other rupees, you may get some values. That value we can read it in the form of numbers, right? Now knowing our numbers, here we are having two types of numbers. The first is Indian system numeration and international system numeration. So Indian system numeration, the first one called Indian system numeration, and the second one called international system numeration. So this is the two things there in the syllabus. The first one is Indian system numeration, international system numeration. So now I am going to explain in detail about what is Indian system numeration and what is international system numeration. Now, so Indian system numeration. So before explaining the Indian system numeration, first we have to know about the place value chart on Indian system numeration. So Indian system numeration. Now see here. So I am going to explain the chart. So while explaining the chart, in the same time I am going to explain one example so that you can understand more about this topic. So take one place value chart. Now already you know that the first place is units place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place, 10,000s place, lakhs place, 10 lakh, crore, so like that. So this is the standard of Indian system numeration. Now based upon this I am going to explain the one example so that you can understand more about this topic. Right now, so 2 6 9 4 6 2 8, for example I am taking this number, right? 2 6 9 4. Now you can read this number in a Indian system numeration. So Indian system numeration, now the place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand and hundreds, we can keep one comma here. Now thousands, 10,000s, lakh and 10,000s, we can keep the comma. So now you can read this 26 lakhs 94,628 rupees. It is Indian system numeration. I hope you understand this. Right, now just pause the video and you can try the few more examples so that you can understand more about this topic. Just read out this one. See here. Now, so how we can read this one? 3 crores 24 lakhs 68,946. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands and hundred, in between here keep the one comma, and lakh and 10,000 in between you can keep the 1 comma. So like that we have to read 3 crores 24,000 68,946. So this is the way of representing the Indian system numeration. So I hope you understand this. Shall I go next topic? Right. So international system numeration. So international system numeration, it has a different start compared to the Indian system numeration. So international system numeration. So international system numeration, so in this international system numeration, it has different place value chart compared to the Indian system numeration. I hope you understand this. Right. Now take one place value chart. So one is units, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. Here you are getting lakh, but in Indian system of numeration we are getting here 100,000s. So 100,000s. So after that million, 10 million, 100 million. After that billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. After that we are getting trillion. So this is the place value chart of international system numeration. I hope you understand this. Just based upon this we are explaining one example so that you can understand the difference between the Indian system numeration and international system numeration. Now we will solve one example. Take any an example. Not only this, we can take any other example. Now see here, ones, tens, hundred, thousands, hundreds and thousand, in between you have to keep one comma. Now thousands, 10,000, 100,000. After that million, 10 million, 100 million and billion. So we can read it 3 billion, 3 billion, 3 billion, 24, 200, 246, 246, what is million, 246 million, 246 million, 800, 146, 6,964. So 964. So this is about the international system numeration. This is about the international system numeration. So I hope you understand this, right? So this is about today what we discussed. Today we are discussing about Indian system numeration, international system numeration, and what is the difference between the Indian system and international system. So here for 1 million in Indian system is 10 lakhs. I hope you understand this, right? Now this is about the difference between Indian system and international system. So that's what for the today introduction. So in the next class I am going to explain about the exercise 1.1 chart 1.1, and in that we are going to discuss about the Indian system and international system. Thank you.